Our Master Athletic edge paddles can be customized using our proprietary tuning kit. You can add up to 20 grams of weight to a Master Athletic paddle to maximize weight. Use weight strips at the top of the paddle to add weight to make the paddle more head heavy, which also reduces torque when hitting the ball. Using 2 strips at the bottom will add weight but not change the balance. In addition to our weight strips, our dampening strips help reduce vibrations, and at only 2 grams will fill the whole edge.